I'm watching Cars and Cameras. Anyways, here's the new prototype. Here's part 2 of the chainsaw. So you went to a much simpler design. Much simpler. And now I'm going to try and cut the styrofoam again. This time with a new design. And maybe we'll get fucking lucky. I'm going to cut it right here. Where the previous one was. Well, from the last design. That's when I decided to change it. So here we go. If I could stay still. Stay still. It's on my Ouija board. That's probably why it keeps moving. It's a custom Ouija board, by the way. So, okay, here. All right. So it shouldn't do. So it shouldn't go anywhere now. It should. Are you fucking kidding me? Side cover came off. Okay, give me a few seconds to secure this side cover. Like that. Just have a whole bunch of random Lego pieces and random places and so on and so on. And I might as well go ahead and just put this. Okay, my apologies. I see what's going on. I see what's going on. More weight! Oh. But it cut! Just this little, And yet again, motherfucking side cover came off. You guys saw it. It cut. It went... Dude, it went way further. I want you guys to put this in slow motion of me cutting this. If the motherfucking could stay still. Here, we'll do that. They're gonna lean it up against the TV, and now this time should be able to show a sign of cutting right here. Oh, fucking rod came off, which is great. It's a lot freer now. Yeah, it cut through.